Today, we will learn about expressing large numbers in the standard form and their comparison. Do you know how far the Sun is located from the center of our Milky Way galaxy? This number is as difficult to read as it is for a man to reach the center of the galaxy. Such large numbers are not only difficult to read but also difficult to write, understand, compare, and do any sort of mathematical operation upon them. In this situation, it is important that we express such numbers in a shorter and easier form. This is possible with the use of the standard form of a number. Let's understand what the standard form of a number is. We can express any number n using the exponential form m into 10 to the power of p, where the value of m can be equal to or greater than 1.0 and less than 10.0, and p is an integer. Such a form of a number is called its standard form. Let's understand this in detail. Let us consider this figure. This is a whole number. First, we will convert this into its decimal form. Can you tell me how to do this? Think for a while. It is easy. First, we will convert the whole number into a decimal number by placing a decimal point after the last digit of the whole number and writing 0 after it, like this. Next, we will count the number of digits to the left of the decimal point. There are a total of 21 digits to the left of the decimal point. If we subtract 1 from this, we get the exponent of 10 in the standard form. Thus, we get the value of p. By subtracting 1 from 21, we get the value of p to be 20. We have subtracted one digit because we have to show the decimal point after the leftmost non-zero integer. For this, we will have to write one digit less than the number of digits. In this way, we can place the decimal point to the right of digit 3. Lastly, we will remove all zeros after the last non-zero integer to the right of the decimal point. Here, there are no non-zero integers after the decimal point. Therefore, we will keep one zero and remove the rest. This will give us the value of m as 3.0. Now, using the values of m and p, we can write the standard form of the number as 3.0 into 10 to the power of 20. The distance of the Earth from the Sun is as follows. Will you be able to express this number in its standard form? Pause the video and try. Let us express this in standard form. Distance of the Earth from the Sun is equal to this. To express it in standard form, that is, m into 10 to the power of p, first, we will convert this whole number to decimal number by placing a decimal point and 0 to the right of the number. Here, there are 12 digits to the left of the decimal point. We will subtract 1 from the total number of digits, that is, 12, to get the value of p as 11. Then, we place the decimal point to the right of the leftmost non-zero integer 1, like this, and in the last step, we remove all digits after the non-zero integer placed to the right of the decimal point. With this, we get the value of m to be 1.496. Now, we can express the distance of the Earth from the Sun in the standard form as 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. As you can see, we can easily read and write numbers in their standard form. With this, we can also easily compare numbers using their standard form. For example, let's compare the distance of the center of the galaxy from the Sun and the distance of the Earth from the Sun. For comparison, we will first check if the numbers are in the standard form or not. Here, both the numbers are in standard form and have the same unit. Next, we will compare the powers of 10 in both numbers. Since 20 in 10 to the power of 20 is greater than 11 in 10 to the power of 11, we can say that 3.0 into 10 to the power of 20 meter is greater than 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter, which means The distance of the center of the galaxy from the Sun is greater than the Earth's distance from the Sun. In this way, take any two large numbers and express them in their standard form and compare them. Today, we have learned how to express large numbers in standard form and their comparison. In the next video, we will see some examples related to this.